you could say, how do you know that you really need a parachute jumping out of an airplane? Because no one's jumped out of an airplane without a parachute, and we don't know if they would have died without the parachute. I mean, that's the kind of question you're asking. And it's actually a good analogy, because how do you know if the officer had just stood there that they wouldn't have been disarmed? No, because they shot the suspect in self-defense. So no, we don't know what would have happened.
So the prosecutor asked a question that allowed this defense expert to say, yeah, if they hadn't shot the suspect taking the taser, they might have been killed. I mean,
these experts are really good.
Yeah.
You know what? They're going to win. The defense is going to win in spite of themselves, because the defense has been really bad, but these experts are really good. I'll give them this. They know how to call the right guys to the stand. That's about the best I could say for this defense team. They know to call the right guys.
So in more cases than not, when an officer's taser is taken from him, nothing happened.
Well, they got shot.
Well, after, but the officer didn't get tased, right?
And that's why they go. That's why they have the training. Someone takes your electrical weapon, you've got to avoid the risk. You transition to firearm. It's clearly demonstrated by what ended up happening here. Police officer used the firearm for defense and ended the situation, so they never did get shot.